One of the most overlooked parts of classic cars is the interior and the upholstery, especially in the boot. The Sleeker had nothing in it, so I went to the local store, I got some checkered vinyl, some carpet, a couple bits of thin MDF and a thick sheet, and then got to work. So I was working with this, then I made a cardboard template into 3 sections, then I fitted it into the boot so it was all nice and flush. I wanted to put a special battery mount in the corner. Then I also started on the center console. Time to get the parcel shelf done, which was super easy. Take it out, measure it, cut it up, cover in some rubber and then some vinyl, and off you go. So just put some vinyl around the front and it fits like a glove because I was using the template from before. And another thing you can do is you can also get some nice material if you want to make it look a little bit fancier. So carpet was in, so it looks nice and plush in there. The backboard fits, all fits flush. It's a little bit lumpy there because I haven't flattened the boards out. Then I wanted to make a nice battery box too, so what I did was get 3 pieces of the MDF, screw them all together, then bevel the edges, then put it through the clean saw, and then I put a belt, classic belt around it so it holds the battery in. Being in Thailand, it was super cheap. I think the materials all up was about $55–60 US, and it probably took me about 2 days to get it done.